Right now, we're gonna start with the joining PC and workstation. So now we're gonna do Windows 7. Just properties, then go to end user, then you're gonna go for a step. Just press next. Put your user and your stored your domain. Then just click next. Click next. It's gonna be installing the workstation or the connection itself. Now we're gonna try to log into a user in Windows 7. It's using email, so I'm using Kyla Vagis, and we logged in, which is prompted to change the password. Then we logged in when we're inside the desktop. Right now we're gonna use Windows XP for mails. So we're gonna check the config. So that's right, 10.01 is connected. The next, just go to uh, same process as the early one. What's next? Wait, by the way, the domain should be pretty not pretty small. There you go. I put the domain. Then there you go. Insert it. It is now connected. Right now is everything done. Just need to log in someone in our Windows XP using mail account. Your password. Just change your password. Then press OK. Then we're inside the desktop. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.